Hi, I'm John Bakar with Bakar Distributors out of Chicago. I'm an authorized Florence dealer, and I'm going to show you how to install a CBU today. The first step is to pour a pad that meets Florence specifications and the US Postal specifications. When you open up the carton for the pedestal, you have a gasket and a template also. Locate the center of the pad, put the mounting template down, and then you can start drilling your holes. Drill down 4.5 inches with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Yeah, the next step is make sure the surface is clean of no rocks or debris. Once the area is clean, you place the gasket down, which is a barrier between the cement and the actual stand. I place my pedestal on top of the gasket. If it's not level, I add washers to the appropriate sides. Once it's level, you can place your wedge anchors, which are 4.25 inches long by 1/2 inch wide, and you place them into the holes. Then torque the bolts down till they're tight. You can also use an impact gun to tighten these bolts down. Once you have it bolted down, double check that it's level. Upon receiving the boxes, I open them up to make sure the engraving is correct and there's no damage. We're putting the pedestal on top of the pedestal stand. You should have 2 people because one could hold the box while the other one is fastening it to the pedestal. There's 2 access plates here I slide out, so I have access to put the hardware in. You place the washer and then the nut. You do that to all 4 of these. Then you take your 9/16 ratchet and begin tightening them down. Once the bolts are tight, you put the plates back on to cover the hardware. Once you're all complete, you close it up, and you have to get the postman to come and put the aero locks back in to lock the cabinet. And he puts one there, one in each parcel. Once the box is installed, I like to check the keys and make sure they're all operating and before I give them to my customer. Before I leave, I also take the port notice sticker and put it over the hole so nobody tampers with it. As you see, it's a simple process, some basic tools and a little time. That's one of the reasons why I love doing business with Florence. Their product is very easy to install.